Are you having electrical problems? If your lights are flickering or if your appliances are not working, call Peterson Power, the best place to start. Peterson Power will need to know the nature of the problem and its location. This information should be given to our dispatcher as soon as possible so we can get to the heart of the problem. We can then organise the best time to help you. Give us a call and we'll get the appointment sorted for you. Peterson Power will work with you to choose a time that's convenient for you. We know that your time is important, so we try to schedule appointments as quickly as possible. On the day, we let you know we're on the way so you can organise your time more efficiently. We'll be there as soon as possible, sometimes before you know it. Our electricians arrive on time. You can expect a friendly service from our electricians, who are all fully qualified to help with any electrical needs. Now it's time for us to get to work. The electrician will quickly assess the problem and get to work on a solution. You can be sure that they will take the best course of action for your needs. Our electricians are trained to be able to get your system running perfectly in no time. All done. Thanks to Peterson Power, you can get on with your day without any electrical worries. We have easy payment options available, including instant on-site payments. If you can't pay on the day, we can also send you online invoices, whatever suits you best. With payment sorted, we get back on the road to help our next client. We always pride ourselves on doing great work. Of course, we love to hear it from you as well. If you'd like, leave us a review and let us know if we did well. We'd love to know what you think of us. Sharing the word means we can do more great jobs like yours. Peterson Power Electrical. Service first, fair prices, qualified and licensed. Call us on 0422 877 257 or email us using info@petersonpower.com.au.